Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a follow button to your Facebook page. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you'll log into your Facebook page. Okay. Tap on the switch button right here and you'd be logged into your page. Now go to your profile. Now you have the 3 dots. Okay. Just tap on it. Now in here, you're going to want to find the edit action button. Okay, as you can see here under manage, we have action button. Just tap on it. And here, just tap on edit buttons. Okay, and you should be able to see a follow option right here. And by default, okay, the follow button is automatic. It should automatically appear on your Facebook page. You might not be able to see it because you're logged in or you are logged in as the owner of the page. But if you want to, you could go ahead and tap on the 3 dots to test it out. In here, you could go ahead and scroll down and just tap on view as. Wait for it. And as you can see, we now have the follow button. If other Facebook users visits your Facebook page, they should be able to see this button. All right, that is it. Now, if you still can't find it, it could be that your app is outdated or your Facebook page is restricted. Now, if you want me to create a video about those topics, well, just let me know in the comments below. But that's it for now. That is how you add a follow button to your Facebook page. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.